All right, we're going to put the Thermco into service. So first thing is the cap should have been on, no restrictor, and the cap is not very tightly pressed in. All right, if it hasn't been on for a while, the temperature should be reading room temperature, and the furnace is off. All right, so first thing we're going to do is just turn the power on. These settings should bring it up to 650 degrees Celsius. All right. Then, because we have a nitrogen generator, I like to always leave the nitrogen flowing at 65, which is about 4 SLM when you convert it, and it's connected in there. Whenever you do any gas changes, you should take the restrictor off. Right. This is the wet ox, which you don't always need. All right. The dry ox is the top. It's the yellow line. It's off right now. Before you turn that on, make sure all the gases are off. All right, and the restrictor is off. Otherwise, you could pop the lid. All right, so to turn the wet ox on, just press that button. It takes a little bit of time to start reading out. All right. And it seems to take about an hour to get warmed up to the right temperature. The DI water, it'll all be set up for you. The recipe is elsewhere. But basically we have a thermocouple to measure the temperature. The air will come out through here. This might change to a more reasonable setup, but this controls the nitrogen flow into the wet ox. Right now it's not connected. When we actually do it, we'll have to turn off that nitrogen flow, making sure the restrictor is off, connect that up, and then we'll adjust it here, but that'll come a little bit later. Let's get the wafers ready.